Here to pick up. Should be an FN 45 Tactical. Killing trees.
Yeah. All right, so there's the final receipt. You have a serial number on the receipt. You have a serial number on the permit. You have a serial number on the gun.
Yeah, serial number everywhere.
Yeah, serial number on the box too. But yeah, we'll leave that one alone.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
All right, you too. All right. Right, it is here. This is the bad boy. I always wanted a 45. Now let's take a look at it. Oh, carry the future. Oh, this case alone. Look at this case. Look at this. How beautiful this case is. All right. Alright, here we go. This is it. First time opening it. Safety is on. Empty. Got the threaded barrel protector right here. This is nice. This is nice. Oh, it's got a decocker. Let me see something. There, how you go, the cocker go down. All right, yeah, this is it. Let's see what it comes with. Comes with 2 magazines. What is this? Oh, it comes with some back straps. Okay. And they got something else in here. You got something else in here. Okay, these are the plates for the optics, and it comes with plates and the screws and everything. What I'm gonna do is put on my EPS optic on. If you saw one of my older videos of EPS carry videos, I actually during the time when it was very difficult to get these, I bought this by mistake because this was in stock on one of the websites, and I actually bought it, and then I didn't realize it wasn't carried, just regular EPS. So this is made for a larger firearm, which is perfect for this guy. So this will be going on, but what I like to do first is take the firearm out to the range and put a few hundred rounds through it, get used to the current sights, which I'm pretty good with iron sights. And then once I got the iron sights down pat and I know that the iron sights is shooting true, then I'll put the red dot on. So that's what I like to do. So I'll put the red dot on next. But like I said, this is a 45. This is actually my first 45. I have 9mm, bunch of those. I got some 40 calibers. But this is my first 45. I was avoiding the 45 mainly because of the ammo. The ammo is a little bit more expensive than 9, and I feel like paying extra for ammo. However, I went to my local gun store, and they actually had this in stock right there. So I went for it. So it feels pretty good in the hand. You know, I have large hands, so it feels real good. So I must say that. Like I said, I'll put the EPS sight on. See what else comes in here. That's about it. I think that's about it. Oh, it got the lock here, which I won't be using. And it comes with 2 mags, 10 rounds, boo, but 45. Nice. All right, so that's pretty much it. I mean, I thought it came with 3 magazines. For some reason, I thought it was 1 in the firearm and 2 in storage, but it looks like it's, I mean, altogether it's 2. All right, so that's pretty much it. Now this is all about oh, actually, the way it feels right here, I don't think I even need a back strap. I think this right here, this feels good right here. Feels real good. Yeah, feels real. This actually feels super comfortable. This is actually going to be my home defense firearm. Unfortunately, I don't have a suppressor. Boo. This thing comes off too easy. I gotta make sure this thing is locked on. Hate to lose this bad boy. Threaded barrel right here. So let's keep this bad boy up. So yeah, this will be my home defense firearm. I gotta get this to the range with my wife because she probably gonna be the one that needs to use this at some point. Hopefully not, but just in case. Since this is my home defense firearm, I actually picked up a light, a weapons light for it. I'll put this on very soon. And that's about it. So I'm pretty happy. You know, FN, made in America, and made in Columbia, South Carolina. Home of our mama. All right, everyone. Have a good day. I'll check y'all in the next video. Peace.